I think different people have different sense of happiness. Some people think going on holiday is happiness. Doing something that they like is happiness. But to me, happiness is quite different. Holiday, you spend time with family, doing something you like, trying something you like. I call it enjoyment. Because it's very short. When you come back, you go into your normal life again. Sooner or later, you will forget this enjoyment. But happiness is something where every day you go and do something, you feel that you want to do it again. And to me, in a company, as the boss of the company, it's very important to have happiness when people have to actually come to work every day. Every day, they're thinking, hey, what is...
The point is this, change is difficult when we actually don't fully know what to expect. It's like a monster in the dark, which we keep imagining that maybe it's got 10 horns, 9 heads, 6 arms, 8 legs, scary teeth, etc., etc. Because in the dark, we really cannot tell. We really don't know. But the more we shine the light on it, the more we actually give it a name, a face, a feel, etc., then actually maybe it's not so scary. Maybe people actually start to like it. You don't know, maybe it's cute and furry, maybe it's really cuddly, maybe you don't know. And the point is actually in trying to be change, you need to help people understand when you're getting to what to expect. So that's the question. So as a pair of eyes, it might actually be a really friendly thing or might be a big monster. We don't know, but even if it's a big monster, you have to go to deal with the challenge. I think that's all.
Thank you. Yeah, so thumbs up. Basically, words change, and I think I really like how it's put across there. But sometimes change down comes first, right? Because we are all resistant to changes. And then as we move along the journey, it goes to neutral. And eventually, when we get there, it goes up. That's why we get the smarty place eventually get to that journey. I think in the context of what we are talking about for the job redesign as well is really relevant. Because it's like a roller coaster. People have been doing the same jobs over and over again. And they realize, okay, I need to deal with change. And then it becomes a problem. So to us, I think eventually we do see it, the growth journey. That's how we can do the smiling days and thumbs up.
Okay. So Singapore, as you know, there's continuously changes happening. But no matter how much changes happen, things still move in a very efficient manner. Right? Now, and when these changes take place, it's always communicated downwards. It's always cascaded down through various channels. So that's why the things move. But when it is not communicated clearly, then it becomes a chaos. Then the change doesn't work. Just like currently you're facing all the Trump tariffs and all that. Does anybody understand what the hell is going on? So nobody understands because one day he's giving this, and then suddenly he deepers into 90 days later, it's all affecting all the shipping companies. So in the same way, that's why I put a 6 square, simply because in Singapore it is very structured. So it's very square.